mobile online. Na-addict ulit ako sa kanya. So binalikan ko siya kasi nga, I don't know, I just wanna play it. Tapos nung nilaro ko siya, na-addict na naman ako. I can't stop playing it. Like, kung hindi ako nag-live ngayon, I would be playing it right now. Like, that's the last thing also that ginawa ko bago mag-start yung show namin kanina. So, tapos I'm so happy kasi nga we've been to, sabi ko, nagbabalik ako with Legends of Frontera, tapos naglalaro ako ng League, and then I've been waiting for the new set of TFT. And then, what was it? Tapos mag-visit kami ng Riot office. So I'm so happy. It's so nice. It's so good. It's so refreshing. Sobrang it's, basta, the feeling is, unexplainable. But ayun, so naglalaro ako ulit ng Legends of Frontera. It's a card game online. Tapos so meron to, I don't know, sa mga naglalaro ng games, meron sa mga games Battle Pass. League of Justin. Naglalaro ka ba ng League, Inigo? Or something ng games? I don't know. So, di ba may mga battle pass? Nung nag-start ako maglaro nung flight going here, which is like 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks na ba? 3 or 2 weeks ago. Ganun na lang din yung duration ng battle pass. Like, mag-e-end na yung battle pass. So, mag-e-end na yung battle pass tomorrow. May deadline siya. And I have to collect experiences to finish it. Points para matapos yun. Sa sobrang addict ko, natapos ko na siya ngayon. With just, usually, I think yung battle pass is like, actually, di ko alam, 2 months or, hi, Ate Thea. Si Ate Thea from Spit, Manila. Thank you po kasi we have improv section, improv Spit inspired part sa namin, sa fan meet namin. It was really fun. Pag nag-break po kami, apply po ako sa Spit. I wanna do it again. Okay, na-distract ako. Anyways, ayun. So, na-addict ako. Natapos ko yung battle pass. Tapos, binili ko tuloy siya kasi natapos ko. Sayang naman yung points. Thank you po, Ate Thea. Tara na. Sali ako. I wanna do hindi ko pa yung last time, gusto ko pa sumali sa I have a friend. I have a friend whose name is... sige, maglaro tayo dito. Wala pa yung rice ko. Malamig na yung siomai. Well, sige, sinong pangalan? Bigay kayo pangalan. Uy, si Chingu. Hi, Chingu. Okay yan, next natin. Yay! Sali ulit ako, Spin. Do you play Valorant? I do, yes. I just